Wait, I will share the screen. Okay, we did some examples, 2 or 3 examples we did. Let us do some more examples and try to finish the examples. But I thought I finished the examples, but now we have little time left. So we may not be able to finish working out the examples. 9.2, and let us see what we did last time. 2.25 minus 2.75. Okay. I think we did this one, example 9.10, we finished. Okay, let us do example 9.11 now. Obtain regression equation of y on x. Okay, he's asking regression equation of y on x. Example 1.9.1. This lesson we have started slightly slowing down. Previous matrices we did very well. Statistics also we did very well. This lesson we are slowing down. Okay, so if you do this well, then we can do operations management. Next chapter is even more interesting. This is also very interesting. You will need that in project management, very practical.
Okay.
Find the mean of variables x and y and the coefficient of correlation between them from the following 2 regression equations. Okay, this is a simple one. Example 9.12. And the mean of x and y variables. First you have to find mean of x and y variables. Then you have to find the correlation between them. From solving x and y, you will get mean. Okay, that means 2y is x minus 50 equal to 0. You just put 2y minus x equal to 15. Then 3y minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. You put 3y minus 2x equal to 10. Okay. Now, if you want to solve simultaneous equations, these two are simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Simultaneous linear equations. That's all you have to solve. This is 8th standard. This is what? 8th standard algebra. Okay. What you have to do? Multiply, let us say, this by 2. Then 4y minus 2x equal to 100. Then 3y minus 2x equal to 10. Okay. If you subtract this from this will get cancelled. Okay. 4y minus 3y is y. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Y equal to 90 you got. Okay. Now you put 2y minus x equal to 50. In that you substitute 90. 2 into 90. Take this 50 this side. Minus 50 is equal to, take the x this side, equal to x. That is 180 minus 50 is equal to x. That is equal to 130. Okay. So x equal to 130, y is equal to 90. Yeah. This is x bar, this is y bar. So we got the means. Mean x bar, and this is mean y bar. We got 90. First part of the problem is over. Okay. Then the coefficient of correlation between them from the following 2 regression equation. Okay. How to get correlation coefficient? It is by this formula b of xy into b of yx. Mhm. So you have to find both b of xy and b of yx. So what you have to do to find b of xy? What is b of x by x minus x bar is equal to b of xy into y minus y bar. Remember this equation. Okay, this side will be x, this side will be y.
Right.
I have to get that equation now and
Okay.
then find the value of b of xy. What you have to do, you have to change the given equation. Okay, anyone you can take, and let us see, can we take x minus x bar? Okay, let us take this equation and try y on x. That is, we can try b of yx is coming, we can see. Okay, so if b this one y minus y bar is equal to b of yx into x minus x bar. So these two the equations you have to get. These two equations, how you will get? From the existing two equation, you have to rearrange them. So what you will try to do? X minus x bar equal to b of xy and y minus y bar. Okay, let us try to do for x 2y is equal to x plus 50. It becomes actually 2y minus x minus 50 equal to 0. It becomes like that. Okay, that means y is equal to half of x plus 25. Okay, let us try this. Half of x plus 25. If you get this form, then this becomes b of yx. Okay, because y is equal to b of y of x minus x bar. This y goes that side, plus y bar you become. Okay, so like that it becomes. So this is the form. This is the form you are getting. Okay, so b of y of x equal to 0.5 you are getting. Okay, that is one thing. The same way, take the other equation. This equation you got b of y of x, y on x you got. The other equation is 3y minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now from this you try to get b of xy. B of x equal to y minus y bar equal to x minus x bar. Okay, like that you have to get. Okay, so then you have to get x. Here, what you will to get x? Take x the other side. Then what will happen? 3y minus 10 is equal to 2x. 2x equal to 3y minus 10. Now what you do? Divide everywhere by 2. If you divide by 2, you get x equal to 3 by 2y minus 10 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 1.5y minus 5. X equal to. So this one is equal to b of xy. Wherever x is coming in the left hand side, then that value of y is equal to b of xy. Okay, wherever y is coming on the left hand side, the corresponding value of x equal to b of y of x. So b of xy equal to 1.5. b of y of x equal to 0.5. This is 1.5. Now what you can do? R is equal to actually b of y of x into b of x of y. That is equal to root of, because it's a geometric mean of both. Okay, y of x is 0.5 into 1.5. 0.5 into 1.5 is 0.75. What is the root of 0.75? Yeah, is given that it is 0.866. 0.866. R is equal to 0.866. Now in the rule for finding out R, two things, properties you must remember. B of y of x and b of y on x and b of x on y, both will be of the same sign. If this is positive, this must also be positive. Okay, if this is negative, this will also be negative, like that. Okay, the other one is r is always less than or equal to 1. It cannot be greater than 1. So if b of y of x or one of them is greater than 1, the other one will be less than 1 in such a way that the total will be the total of R will be less than 1. Okay, that is very important. So now we got both the equation, and from that we found the coefficient. This is coefficient. Coefficient of correlation R equal to 0.866. Okay, it's very simple sum. Only thing, it is not having long complicated calculation for everything, so it is done very fast also. It's done fast also. Next example, we'll do example 9.13. Example 9.13. Find the means of x and y variables and the coefficient of correlation between them from the following two regression equations. Same thing we have to do. Okay, you have to find x bar and y bar. Then you have to find R will be equal to b of xy into b of yx. That means you have to find b of xy and b of yx. All that you have to find. Same way, two equations are given. One is 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0. The other one is 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. Okay. Now what you can do, this one you can multiply by 5, you will get 20x. Okay. So put 20x minus 25y multiplying by 5. Okay, this equation. 20x into minus 25, 5, 33 into 5. 15, 16, 165. My plus 165 equal to 0. Okay. And then 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can subtract. This will go this. Minus into minus will become plus. So minus 25 plus 9 is equal to 16. Okay. So minus 16y 165 minus 107. Minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so it becomes plus. 5 plus 2, 7, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 2, what? This is 2. Okay, 272. So plus 272 is equal to 0. Minus 16y is equal to minus 272. That means y is equal to minus 272 by minus 16. How much that is coming? Minus 272 by minus 16. You can cancel the minus and minus. Do you have a calculator?
Yeah, uncle, I'm doing it.
Divided by 16. Okay, it's coming 17. So y bar is equal to 17 mean. Okay. Similarly, let us find x bar. We can substitute in the smaller one. 20x, 4x. 4x is equal to 5y minus 33 from this one. This one 5y. Okay, so 4x equal to 5 into 17 minus 33. 5 into 17 is how much? 85. 85 minus 33. How much is 85 minus 33? This is 2. This is 5. 52. Okay, is equal to 52. 4x equal to 52. X equal to 52 by 4. That is equal to 13. So x bar is your 13. Y bar is your 17. This is also the other mean for the x data. X set of data mean you got now. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to rearrange the equation in such a way that you get of this form. Which form? Y minus y bar is equal to b of y of x into x minus x bar form. Okay, that means somewhere y is equal to a of x plus b. Like that you must get. This linear form you must get. Okay, how to arrange that? Let us see how to arrange that. Let us take 4x minus 5y plus 33 is equal to 0. From there, 4x equal to 5y minus 33. Divide by 4 both sides. Okay. X is equal to 5 by 4y minus 33 by 4. Okay. So this is 5 by 4. So V of xy is equal to 1.25. What is 5 by 4? 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. Okay, so you found out V of xy is equal to 1.25. Now the other one you have to find out. Okay, x is equal to ay plus b. That form you have to now form. Take the other one. 20x minus 9y is equal to 107. You can take. Here what you have to do? You have to do 20x minus 107 is equal to 9y. Okay, 9y is equal to 20x minus 107. Divide by 9 both sides. Y is equal to 20 by 9x minus 107 by 9. Okay, what is 20 by 9? How much it is coming? It's coming 2.22x minus 107 by 9. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, so V of y of x. Whenever y is on the left side, V of y of x. Whenever x is on the left side alone, then V of x of y, x on y, okay, is equal to 2.22. So this is 2, this is 1. Now r you have to find out. R is equal to root of V of xy into V of yx. Very simple. That is equal to 1.25 into 2.22. See how much is 1.25 into 2.22? 2.775. Okay, root of 2.775 you have to find out. That is equal to 1.666. Okay. R is equal to 1.666. Let us see what they are saying. Yes. Oh, something went wrong. Yes, something went wrong. You know what we did wrong? We flouted a rule here. This is greater than 1. If b of xy is one of them is greater than 1, then the other one must be less than 1. Here both are greater than 1. That is a problem. Both can be less than 1, but both if they are greater than 1, you cannot solve the problem. Okay, so what we should do is we have to completely do the other way. Other way means y is equal to ax plus b, you should find the other equation. Okay, so let us do y is equal to ax plus b. Let us do the other type of equation. Bring in the other equation. Okay, that is 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. No, that you take into y is equal to ax plus b form. Okay, that means 20x minus 107 is equal to 9y. No, you have to take x equal to ay plus b form here. And then y is equal to ax plus b form here. So you have to take x equal to ay plus b form. Then only you will get b of xy. Okay. So what you have to do? 20x equal to 9y plus 107. This goes that side. This also goes that side. Okay. Divide by 20 both sides. Then x equal to 9 by 20y plus 107 by 20. Okay, now you are getting something right. 9 divided by 20 is equal to 0.45y plus 107 by 20. X equal to. So b of xy is equal to 0.45. This is the correct value. Previously, what was there? This is greater than 1. This is also greater than 1. If you see your textbook, what is the property that should not be there? One of the regression coefficient is greater than unity. The other must be less than unity. Can you see that? Highlighting in blue.
Yeah, uncle. Yeah.
So that is where it failed. Both can be less than 1, but both cannot be greater than 1. So here, both were greater than 1. That's why this was 2.2, this was 1.25. Both were greater than 1. So that is why it's wrong. So you have to take the other way around. This thing you have to be very careful when you are doing. You have to be very careful when you are doing. So b of x, y you got. Now what you have to do, you take the other equation. 4x minus 5y plus 33 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you bring this into y is equal to ax plus b form. Okay. You bring this into this form. Now that means 4x plus 33 is equal to 5y. So 5y is equal to 4x plus 33. You divide on by 5 all sides. Y is equal to 4 by 5y plus 33 by 5. That is equal to 0.8y plus 33 by 5y. From this we get this value b of y of x is equal to 0.8. Now you must do the correct calculation. R is equal to b of xy into b of y of x. That is equal to 0.45 into 0.8. Okay. Now you do 0.45. 0.45 into 0.8 you do. It's coming 0.36. So what is the value of root of 0.6? 0.36. 0.36 or root on the is equal to 0.6. So R is equal to 0.6. Okay, so that is how you should do. So this is very important. Why this is important? Why this is important? I'm going to paste this. Then I will tell you why this is important. Because it teaches us we should not flout the rule where both b of x y and b of y on x, both of them should not be greater than 0. Okay, both of them should not be greater than 0. Okay, so now we got xy, this is less than 1, and then b of xy, b of yx, this is b of y of x 0.1, this is also less than 1. Both can be less than 1, but both cannot be greater than 1. This is not possible. This is allowed. If one is greater than 1, the other one must be less than 1. Must be. Okay, that is allowed. This was not our case because it was 2.22 and 1.25. Both were greater than 1. Okay, so it is wrong. So that's why this is wrong. Okay. Very good. Now let us go for the other sum. Example 9.13 we finished. Let us do example 9.14. The following table shows the sales and advertisement expenditure of a farm. Okay. Title is mean. Okay. Mean means Xbar. Xbar is for sales, it is 40. YBar for advertisement expenditure is 6. YBar is ad. X is sales. Okay. Then standard deviation. Sigma X equal to 10 and sigma Y. Standard deviation for advertisement is equal to 1.5. Okay. So this is also given. Then this very simple sum. It looks very complex, very simple sum. Then he's telling coefficient of correlation is equal to 0.9. Okay. Now he's telling estimate the likely sales for a proposed advertisement expenditure of 10 crore. Okay. Suppose Y is equal to 10 crore. How much is X? Okay. This is sales. How much sales you'll get when Y is equal to 10 crore. That is what to find. Okay. How to find? See, there is other formula which we forgot is equal to R into sigma. This is the original formula. You remember? Instead of that only we took this whole thing. We
Yeah,
replaced
okay.
by b of xy.
Okay.
B of xi actually equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Okay. We replace. So now what is giving is directly giving sigma x, sigma y, and r. Okay. Sigma x given, sigma y given, r is given. Then x bar is also given, y bar is also given. Okay. Now substitute all of that. X minus 40 equal to 0.9 into r is 0.9. Okay. Sigma x is 10. Sigma y is 1.5 into y minus y bar. What is y bar? Y bar is 6. So that's all very easy sum. Okay. 0.9 into 10 will give you 9 by 1.5 into y minus 6, x minus 40. Okay. That implies x minus 40 is equal to 1.5. 9 is nothing but 3 by 2. So 9 into 2 by 3. Okay. 3. You go 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is 6 into y minus 6. That means x minus 40 is equal to 6y minus 36. Okay. Now what you need, y is given, you have to find x. So you have to take it in x form. X is equal to 6y minus 36 plus 40. That implies x equal to 6y plus 4. This is the equation you need. Okay. Now he is telling y is equal to 10. Find x is equal to how much? So just substitute x equal to 6 into 10 plus 4. That is equal to 60 plus 4. That is equal to 64. That is equal to x. Okay. Sales equal to 64 crore. That is all the sum is. Very easy sum. But this is different from the other sums. Because he is giving a different set of values. And that means you have to use a different formula. That's all. But this is the original formula you have to use. Okay. You want to see where the original formula is? It's in the first step itself.
Yeah, uncle. I checked it in the book.
Yeah, you checked in the book. You see, b of y of x equal to r into sigma y by sigma x. That is, this one is the standard deviation of y. This one is standard deviation of x. Okay, that is where you are coming. So that is very simple. What sum we did? We posted it, huh? No, we didn't post it. No, we didn't post it. Let us post it first before it goes up. We'll do one more example and finish. If we had come early, we could
Sure,
have
uncle.
finished
Yeah.
other up to 19. We could have finished. The
Yeah.
next class would have started the actual exercises.
Hmm.
Okay, let us take it easy. Next week we'll finish it off. Big deal. Next week we should finish off regression analysis, correlation. We should not stay there. Okay, October we should be finding ourselves inside operations research only. Okay. Okay. Now what we finished, example 1.9.15 now we have to do. Okay, example 9.15. There are two series of index numbers. P for price index, S for stock of the commodity. Okay, X is price index. You don't take P and all that. Don't forget that. Y is stock. Okay. The mean and standard deviation of P are 100. Okay. X bar is equal to 100. And standard deviation of P. Standard deviation of X is equal to 100 and 8. And that of X are Y bar is 103. Standard deviation of Y is equal to 4 respectively. Correlation coefficient is equal to R is equal to 0.4. With these data, obtain the regression lines of P on S and S on P. Okay. Earlier, he asked one extra step. Find out if you give 10 crores, how much likely sales estimate. Now he is not asking estimate and all. Just obtain the regression lines. That's all. Okay. So that means what you have to do, you just have to find B of XY. You have to find B of YX, and then you put X minus X bar, Y minus Y bar. That's all you have to put. Very simple thing is asking us to do. So let us do X minus X bar is equal to R into sigma X by sigma Y into Y minus Y bar. Okay, this is the equation. Substitute everything that you know. X minus 100 equal to R is 0.4 into sigma X is 8. Sigma Y is 4. 8 by 4 into Y minus Y bar is 103. That's all. You got everything. Okay, 8 by 4, you make it 2. 2 into 0.4 is equal to 0.8 Y minus 103 is equal to X minus 100. Okay, first you should get X equation. X equation means X is equal to 100 plus 0.8 Y minus 0.8 into 103. Okay, 0.8 Y X equal to how much is 0.8 into 103? You'll have to find now. 0.8 into 103. 82 point minus 82.4. Okay, plus 100. So 100 minus 82.4. Now you have to find out. 100 minus 82.4. That is equal to 76. 17.6 plus 17.6. This whole thing. 0.8 Y X equal to 0.8 Y plus 17.6. Okay, this is B of XY. That's all, matter over. One equation you got. Now let us go and get the second equation. Y minus Y bar is equal to R into B of YX divided. No, that's not. Sigma Y divided by sigma X into X minus X bar. Okay. This is the other one. So Y minus, what is Y bar? 103 is equal to R is what? 0.4. 0.4 into sigma Y is what? 4. Sigma X is what? 8. Into X minus X bar is what? 100. Okay, that's all. Now you solve this. Y minus 103 is equal to 0.4 into 8. This is will go 2 times. This will go 0.2, 0.2. So 0.2 X minus 100. That is equal to 0.2 X minus, okay, what is 2 by 10 of 100? 20. Okay, Y minus 103 is equal to 20. That one. So Y is equal to 0.2x plus 103 minus 20. That is equal to 0.2x plus 103 minus 20 is 83. Okay, Y is equal to 0.2. This is your second equation. So what is the two regression equation he asked for? Both the regression equation lines are obtained now. Okay, S on P and P on S. Okay, both are obtained. That's all you have to do. This is P on S. This is S on P. How you know? Because P, instead of P, we took X. Instead of S, we took Y. That's why. Okay. So this is P. P means P on X. This is Y means yes on X. Okay, that's what the equation. When the equation, the left hand side it is standing alone, then it is that on the other one. Okay. When the left hand side is P, that is P on. Okay, you can even say B of P on S. You can also say like that. We didn't change the symbols, then you will get confused. Just use the same symbols. No big deal. Okay. I think we finished our time, 6 o'clock over.
Yeah,
Could have
uncle.
come early, we could have finished all the examples. Very easy sums actually. Okay. Regression analysis, I told you, it's got nothing to do with regression, backsliding, going back to the average, nothing. Okay. Initially they had that thing, but that fellow who started that, he was doing something else. He was a biometrician. Okay. Actually, regression is about what is the relationship between two sets of data, X set of data and Y set of data. How do you express it as two different lines, two linear equations? That is all there is to regression analysis. So there is nothing regressive about regressive analysis. There is everything simultaneous linear equation. Okay, two
Okay,
different lines. That is what is regression analysis. 9.6, 9.71, I mean 17, 9.18, 9.19. We will do it next class.
Sure, uncle.
Then we'll start exercise 9.2.
9.2.
Okay. So next week we should finish all this. Okay,
Yeah,
so
uncle.
that
Next week we'll
October
finish.
we will start with very nice subject, operation research. That's what I'm waiting to do. Okay,
Okay.
especially second part of operation research. Very nice scheduling and all that. You can start using that to schedule your own exams, how you are studying, everything. So till 9.15 we finished. Okay. Bye, man. Take
Okay.
care. Take care of your health. Recover. Tell Joshua also to take care of himself.
Sure, uncle. Thank you, uncle. You also
Bye, man.
stay safe, uncle.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, uncle.